today we've got ourselves a 78 Ford pickup truck.
It's a classic Aussie build F100.
It's definitely not a classic build,
No.
what you would call it, was it?
Yeah.
Like I've driven many of these, my mum used to have one of these, but this thing here, like, it drives like a brand new car.
Yeah, it's got one of our new independent front suspension systems in it, and a new rear four-link, and the thing drives and steers and stops like a late model car at the showroom. Yeah, so it's had a bare metal respray, the engine's been done up, it's a 460, the C6 has been done up, it's got a 9-inch, we've now got 4-wheel disc front and rack. And I guess one of the highlights is the bare metal paint job, which is in a house in colour, real deep metallic blue, so
let's talk about this colour. Like, you look at it in the shade, it's a really deep, vibrant colour, but the second it hits that sun, ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of nice new custom-made panels within the engine bay. The inner guards have got dimples, the firewall's got dimples. The truck was pretty heavily rusted in the firewall, so the firewall's all new, we had to make that. The rear tray was badly rusted, so that's all been repaired and it's got a new floor in it.
So not only is the paint job amazing on the dash, but the dash itself, like we've got all the good autometer gauges, sport comp and cobalt gauges, but then we've also got these we got the Ring Brothers switches here.
Yeah, it's got like a shift indicator, and then we've got vintage air billet ball-shaped air conditioning outlets, and we've got the top of the range Kenwood stereo, which is Bluetooth, GPS tracker, DVD radio. It's got a custom glove box, it's got a nice low-car shifter, which is a double bend designed specifically for a bench seat application. The door cards are just awesome, they were custom made for us in the States. And then the hood lining has been done with the same trimmer which matches the seat. So we've got black leather with blue stitching, which just complements the body colour.
Now, the jewel of this car isn't only the paint job with the interior, it's actually underneath.
The body and the cab, the front clip and everything's been removed from the frame. The frame was then taken down to the last nut bolt washer, so we had a bare frame only. The frame was then sandblasted, painted satin black to make it look like an OE chassis, and then we fitted our new weld-in IFS on the front, which is right-hand drive with power steering. It's got the custom 460 engine mounts that bolt to the cross member. We're running Alden coilovers with Wilwood large disc brakes. And then on the rear it's got one of our bolt-in rear four-links with a sway bar, a new 9-inch diff again with Wilwood disc brakes, and a true track centre. So
everything you said, that's just like, it's like you're just talking dirty to me right now. Like, and I love the exhaust. It looks like a NASCAR sort of you know, exhaust tip fitted on there. And even the wheels, like at the old Craigar Steelies.
yeah.
Because it's not very loud right now, but we've got a bit of a party button, don't we?
That's right, he wants to take it to the odd track day, and part of that is there's a cut-out switch for the exhaust underneath, so it becomes an open system.
What he's saying is there's a party switch. So we flick this button here. Oh! I hope that you can hear this. It's so loud. But this is nearly a 2,000 hour job.
Yeah.
Wow. And when you actually want to have a conversation, you flick it up, and all of a sudden it's back to quiet. Oh, look, how quiet is that?
Now it's like a stock car.
It's like a stock truck now.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed today's episode. Make sure you tune in next week to watch another episode. And check out the website or give us a call if you need any work or any parts for your car. See you next time.
Thanks, Chris. See you later.